Hello everyone, myself Shashank and I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Section Chanakya, subject Maths. And today's my topic is two-way ANOVA. A two-way ANOVA is defined as ANOVA is a statistical test used to examine the influence of the two different category independent variable on a continuant dependent variable. It is also evaluated whether there is an interaction between the two independent variable in the terms of their effect on the dependent variable. Key points. Two-way. This refers to the fact that there are the two independent variable or factors. ANOVA. Analysis of a variables which the test for the differences in the mean among the groups. Purpose. Main effects. A two-way ANOVA tests the effects of the each independent variable on the dependent variable individually. Interaction effects. It is also a test if there is any interaction between the two factors meanings if the effect on the factor depends on the level of the other factor. Way to use two-way ANOVA. You have to categorize the independent variable you want to see how they jointly affected continuous and dependent variable. You are interested in the testing if there is any interaction between the two independent variable or if there is effect on the dependent on the level of other on if on the level of the others. Design. A two-way ANOVA can be categorized in the two different types of experiments design. They are two-way ANOVA with replication and two-way ANOVA without replication. Two-way ANOVA with replication. When each combination of a factor level has more than one observation is called as two-way ANOVA with replication. Two-way ANOVA without replication. When there is only one observation per combination of the factor levels is called as two-way ANOVA without replication. Two-way ANOVA table. Source of variation. SS. Sum of square. DF. Degree of freedom. MS. Mean square. F static. P value. Factor A. SSA. Sum of square. DFA. MSA. F is to A. P is to A. Factor B. SSB. DFB. MFB. F is to B. P is to B. Interaction between A into B. SS A into B. DF A into B. MS A into B. F is to A into B. P is to A into B. Error reducer. SSE. DFE. MSE. Total. SST and DFT. SSA, where SSA is a sum of a square factor for A. SSB is called as a sum of a square factor for B. SSAB, sum of a square for interaction for a factor A into and the factor B. SSE is called as a sum of a square for the error reducer. SST, total sum of a square. DFA, degree of a freedom for factor A, and DFB is called as a degree of a factor for the factor B. DFAB, degree of a freedom for the interaction. DFE is called as a degree of a freedom for error. DFT is called as a total degree of a freedom. When to use a two-way ANOVA? You are testing the two efforts of the two categorized independent variable on a continuous dependent variable. You need to explain not only the main effort but also you interact between the two factors. Conclusion: if you find significance main effect but no significant interaction, you interpreted the effect of each factor. If there is a significant interaction, you would interpret the results by considering how the factors works together. Thank you.